Good morning. This is meteorologist Thomas Pepe with the National Weather Service here in San Angelo, Texas, bringing you your Wednesday morning weather briefing. We'll kick off this morning's briefing with flash flood watch that we currently have out that goes through Thursday afternoon. Heavy rainfall is likely during this event, with totals of 2 to 5 inches and pockets of heavier rain 5+ inches possible for our southeastern counties, and furthest southeastern portions of those counties are where the heavier rain is expected. Dangerous flash flooding of creeks, streams, lower water crossings, city streets, and other poor drainage areas are possible. The San Saba and Llano River and their tributaries will need to be monitored for sudden rises. As you can see in this image here, some of the more northwestern counties will experience anywhere from 1/4 inch to up to about 2 inches of rain throughout the event, whereas as you go further southeast, you see 2 to 6 inches of rainfall possible throughout this event, which does increase the flood and flash flooding potential for this event. As you can see here, the highest threat area is over the more southeastern counties, where widespread moderate to heavy rainfall and accumulations of this rainfall may cause dangerous levels of flooding. More towards the central part of our area, mainly light to moderate rainfall is expected, with isolated pockets of heavier totals. Some flooding in low-lying city streets or low-lying areas could be possible in those areas. As we move further to the northwest, over places like Bernhardt, Sterling City, Sweetwater, and Hamilton, we'll see pockets of light to occasionally moderate rainfall possible in these areas, with a few isolated heavier downpours which may produce some urban flooding. And also, the overall threat is relatively low for these areas, as models are not showing much of the precipitation moving over these areas. Please stay tuned to the National Weather Service here in San Angelo, Texas, and follow us on Facebook and Twitter to see any updates for this event. Thank you and have a great morning.